You're probably concerned about reliability rates if you read our blog posts. Electric ranges are an exception, mostly. But why? Well, electric ranges have always been made the same. They refine technology like microwaves. Most new electric ranges with smooth saran glass tops are like those I sold 36 years ago when I started at Yale. Most of the stovetops are still manufactured by that same manufacturer 36 years later. However, service rates increase when appliances have more features depending on the brand. In this video, you'll learn about the most reliable electric ranges to consider based on over 40,000 service calls logged last year. It's incredibly important to buy a reliable appliance, especially now. The wait times for a repair averages 1 month due to a lack of available parts and technicians. Repair is a giant unspoken problem in this industry, so be careful. Lastly, this is about electric ranges only. The most reliable induction ranges are in a separate video. So let's get started. The average repair rate for electric ranges is 8.9% in the first year. Appliances in general are about 9.5%. These figures are based on a minimum of 30 ranges sold and a sample of over 900 pieces. The basic ranges are all extremely reliable, below 5.6% repair in the first year. The more featured ranges have more repair depending on the brand, although the issues themselves aren't that bad. The top 3 issues are control panel flashing. That's the only real problem because the panel controls the range. Burner not heating is the second. It's an easy enough fix. Plus you have 3 more burners to use when one is not working. Electric ranges can trip breakers depending on your breaker and its max amperage, which is something you may want to check before you buy a range, especially new construction. Finding a reliable electric range is easy. Finding an available electric range is a problem. Many companies have had issues supplying products since the beginning of the pandemic, now in its second year. These ranges are similar with convection in the oven and 5 burners in the top, one being a warming burner. You also have Wi-Fi as a feature with the ability to turn the range on or off remotely. You can also change temperature and receive notifications right from an app on your phone. There's also some unique recipe tie-ins from their G app. The air fry mode is the newest feature available in both, yet our chef can't seem to crisp food in either. Most high-end ranges are sold as induction, so the offerings are limited. They are then further limited by the lack of available models. LG has a reliable front control electric range. Beko is more available. They have a decent repair rate when you consider they only sell more expensive front control ranges. LG is the largest oven capacity at 6.3 cubic feet. At first glance, the Beko is a good option if you want a convection front control with features. It's a mode-driven stove with a warming drawer below at $4 less than the average front control range. You have 7 different modes in a Beko, but it doesn't have any smart functionality. I'm a fan of anything reliable regardless of the brand because we have to fix appliances under warranty. Most basic electric ranges are reliable. It's old, reliable technology. It's protected against abuse by a solid glass top. Buying one will be tough though. Repair numbers increase as you add options depending on the brand, so be careful. You may want to consider opting for a reliable stove versus the more featured model. Click the link to download our free electric cooking buying guide. Unfortunately, we all know someone that's been talked into buying the wrong appliance. Don't let that happen to you. Over 1 million people have found the right answers in a Yale guide. Thanks for watching.